Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tiffany. This is my little daughter Delia here. She's going to be helping us. Can you say hi? So today we're going to make a fun Halloween party mix, and then we've got some mini candy apples. And last but not least, we're going to make some Fanta floats. They're like a root beer float, but with a little Halloween twist. Yes. So if you guys want to see what we're going to make, then please keep watching. Okay, first we're going to start with the ingredients. We've got some rice Chex cereal here, plain, not sweetened. And then some bugles, some mini pretzels. She's already gotten into these, as you can see. Some mini marshmallows, some peanut butter Reese's Pieces, some candy corn. We've already gotten into these pumpkins, huh?
Yeah.
But you'll need some sweet cream marshmallow pumpkins, some brown sugar, some butter, and then some vanilla. All right, let's get started. So first thing, we're going to take about a cup to a cup and a half of your rice Chex cereal. Now everything we're going to do about a cup and a half of the dry goods, and then about a half a cup of the candy. Now it depends on how much you want to make. So we're only a family of 3, so I don't want to make a large portion, but I want it to last for at least about a week. 1 cup.
1 cup.
That's good. Next we're going to take our pretzels, our mini pretzels. Dump it in there. Maybe a half cup more. That's good. Dump it in there. Next is our bugles. Half cup to a cup. All right guys, after you've got all your dry ingredients in there, you're gonna mix them up. Make sure you're very careful when you're tossing it so you don't break any of the bugles or the rice Chex or the pretzels. Now we're gonna take our brown sugar here. Half a cup of brown sugar. So we got our packed brown sugar here. Got half a cup of butter. Stick it into a microwave safe bowl. We're gonna microwave it just until it's softened. All right guys, took it out of the microwave. Took only about 20 seconds. Make sure you check it so you don't bubble and burn your butter. Next we're gonna add our half cup of brown sugar. Mixing it in here. Now it looks like I might need a little bit more butter. You kind of want a caramel looking sauce to drizzle over. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more butter. Okay, melted just a little bit more butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter. Add it slowly and mix in till you get the right consistency. Now we're gonna take about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. All right guys, this is what you should end up with. It's nice and kind of soupy, easy to drizzle over. Don't worry too much if you have some clumps. It's not gonna matter that much. We're gonna pour it over and then mix it up. When you're done, it should look something like this, nice and evenly coated. All right guys, I've got a sheet pan. I've lined it with aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna put some parchment paper over top, and then we're gonna spread the mixture evenly throughout the pan. Now we're gonna stick this into a preheated oven at 275 for 45 minutes, and we'll start every 15 minutes. So while we're waiting for the Chex mix to bake, we're gonna multitask. We're gonna start with the caramel apples. So I'll show you the ingredients and then we'll dive into the recipe. So we've got 4 Granny Smith apples. Any kind of apple works, but we like Granny Smith. We've got a variety of sprinkles here. I got these from Walmart. These are really cute. So got some of these with some googly eyes. Some of these sprinkles. Now we'll dip the caramel apples in them at the end, or sprinkle over the top. And the most important part of caramel apples is the caramel bits. We've got a melon baller. Got 2 different sizes of kebab skewers or skewers. We've got these really large ones and these small ones. We might end up using these since these are going to be really small, really mini. Okay, our apples have been washed. They are ready to go and dried. We're gonna take our melon baller and we're gonna start scooping out balls of apple. They should look a little something like this. Now they won't be perfect, which is fine. You're not gonna see it, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna heat up our caramel. We're gonna follow the instructions on the back of the bag on how to heat it. So now we're gonna stick our skewers into our apples while we wait for our caramel to heat up. Don't worry if the apples start browning. We're gonna cover them with caramel, so you're never gonna know. Okay, caramel is ready and nice and liquidy.
Can I see?
Yeah, look at it.
It's like chocolate.
It is, but it's caramel. Okay. Give that a good stir.
I hope it tastes delicious.
I'm sure it will. Okay, go ahead, dip it in. Just be careful, it's hot. Dip it all the way in. Okay, now you can add your sprinkles. So as you guys can see, these are done. We've got sprinkles on some are just the classic caramel. We're gonna let these cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Set them aside while we finish the rest of the harvest mix. Okay guys, the party mix has been cooling for about 20 minutes now. Now we're gonna transfer it into this cute bowl. I got it from Walmart, it was like $5. How cute is that? Good thing about parchment paper, I can just lift it up and just dump it in. All right, so now we're gonna need a half a cup of each of the candies. You could do more or less. If you like more, add more. If you like less, add less. Orange cream pumpkins. Candy corns. Last but not least, some mini marshmallows. Got these cute little skeleton hand tongs from Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? I got a couple of them. We're gonna mix it up. And as you can see, we need some more Reese's Pieces and some candy corn just because all the candies seem to get lost. So I'm just gonna add a few more. Super cute, super festive, very colorful. And these tongs make them even better. All right guys, last but not least, we're gonna do our orange root beer floats. So like I said before, they are like root beer floats, but with orange Fanta. So they have a nice Halloween twist to them. So we took these plastic Solo cups and drew little funny faces on them. We got this guy, we have a funny guy here, and then a traditional jack-o'-lantern. For the sake of the video, I did 4 already. I will show you how to do it. It's very easy. You just need a clear or a white, whichever you prefer. I did clear so you could see the orange Fanta through it. So I think we should do a ghost one, like a boo face, like a scared face.
Like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I like that one too. Okay. Ready? Boo! Next up is our Fanta. I got the individual ones since we are at home. This is for us. We're not having a party, but you can get the 2-liter ones if you're making a big bowl punch. And then you need vanilla ice cream. Any brand, any kind of vanilla, French, homemade, country style, whichever you prefer. And we've got some fun party straws and some googly eyes to add on top. Okay, so we're gonna take our Fanta. Now we're gonna take our ice cream. A nice scoop.
Yes.
Good ball.
Yeah.
And put it right on top.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see. Is that good? Orange and creamy. Kind of mix it up, makes it all frothy. So good. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these Halloween treats. If you give any of them a try, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Also, please stay tuned. We've got a lot more Halloween themed videos coming your way. And don't forget to check out my Halloween 2020 playlist for more inspiration and more ideas. Also, if you guys like my shirt, I got it on Etsy. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's so cute. I'm a huge horror movie fan, so I'll link the shop down below so you guys can check it out. See you next time. Bye.